Alright, hey guys, my name is Alex. I'm going to show you how to make a paper squishy, just like this. Skibbity toilet. Today we're going to be making pepino. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells. So these are the materials that you need. 2 pieces of paper, scissors, stapler, pencil, and also reinforcement, just in case if you messed up. But I don't have cotton balls, so if you want, you can also use cotton balls. But you're going to have to save the paper, just to let you know. And today, we're making pepino from Pizza Tower. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is draw pepino. You want to draw pepino, right? Yeah, you want to draw pepino, you know? So then, when you draw pepino, I will most likely recommend you starting off with the eyes first. The eyes are kind of the most important thing of the body. Kind of. So yeah, mostly I will start off with the eyes, start off with the ears, and then I'll start off with the little hair. So for me, this is what you should have so far. Eyes, hair, and ears, right? And then when you have that, you want to start off with the hat. You want to go straight up, curve it, go down, up again with a little snake, no? Excuse me. And then, also, when you have that, you want to go down, line in between, make a little J, but upside down, you know? And when you do that, you want to go boom, right? You want to go boom, right? And then when you have that, you want to go down and then up, you know? Kind of like that. You know what I'm talking about? Then you want to go down and around. And you also want to add this. Look, you see it? See that? That is what you want to do. Right? You can also draw pepino in your own way too. It doesn't matter. But if you want to copy off of me, you can. Right? So then, this is what you're also going to do. I'm going to draw his face. You got to be really careful. So, first thing is you want to draw 2 C's, right? And then you want to come down like this. I'm so sorry, Pepino, I just made you fat. Like that. You want to add 1 curve and another C. That's what you should get. You should get that so far. Or different Pepino. You're going to add a little smile. Go in the middle. Boom, 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 boom. Right? That's how it is. But I already messed up. We need the nose. We need Quandale Dingle's nose. Quandale Dingle's nose right there. I'm going to draw the mustache on the nose. Just like this. Like that. I'm going to draw a little mustache like this. See that? See that? Right there. And then, I'm going to draw the body. You want to start off with this. I'm going to add a little detail to mine that says Pizza Life. You know? Because pizza is life to pepino. You know? So this is what you want to do next. You want to draw this. A little hole right there. Then you want to add a little line. Right? So you could do this for okay in pizza. So yeah, that's what you want to do. Come around, right? You want to go boom, right? And then boom. So look, people, right, gets really confused on like how to do this stuff, right? So this is what you want. You want like a seed like that. You want just like that. We're gonna fix it on. And then you wanna go boom, and then boom, and boom. That's how it is. I'm so sorry, cause I'm allergic to pollen. I think pollen is in my nose. So yeah. So then you want to add another little line to add him doing this. Right? So I'm not the best at that, but this is how it looks. Right? And you want to add his little short legs. Now all you want to do now is color it in. Alright, once you got done coloring Peppino, now all you want to do, this is what your second piece of paper is. Get your scissors, and then you just want to cut them out, right? You want to cut them out. When you get done cutting out your Peppino like that, this is what you want to do. This is where your second piece of paper comes in for. You want to press them down, right? You want to press them down. Alright, wait. So this is what you want to do. Press him down, right? You want to press him down. And then you want to quickly outline it. This is what I like to do, right? But I don't have a second piece of notebook, right? So I would like to put a notebook on the head, the arms, and also the stomach, so I can outline the legs and stuff. But I don't have that, right? So look what I do. Press him down. I'm just pressing him down with my fingers, right? And then when you get done outlining him, so yeah. So when you get done outlining Peppino, right, just like this. And then if you got any missing parts right there, just color it in. Well, I mean, not color it in, just like trace it in, you know? So when you get done cutting out this Peppino and tracing it onto your second piece of paper, you want to cut it out too. So yeah. So when you get done cutting out this part, you want to place them together, right? Place them together. So then, when you get done placing them together, this is what you want to do. See, you should have saved, right? If you did save, your 2 pieces of paper, good. If you have cotton balls, also good, right? You want to ball up your paper like you're gonna throw them away, but you're not. You're gonna cut out small little pieces, right? Like just so like they're like this, like that. And then you wanna open up Peppino. Boom. Boom. And boom. Now, what you guys want to do, right, is put it down, put Peppino down, right, and face him down. Press all the pieces of paper down, because if they're laying flat up, it's going to be harder to staple them or tape them. So you want to lay them flat down, just flat down, you know? So then, once you get done with that, right, you want to paper, you want to like staple it. You know what I'm talking about? But this is what I would like to do, right? for you guys. So take out the piece of paper that you squished down. Put back so it's flat, empty. You know, there's nothing, right? If I were you guys, right, you just staple the right side or the left side for you. You just staple everything that's either on the right or the left side for you. But I will mostly do it on the right. So then, when you do that, it's mostly like a book cover, you know? But it's like kind of short, right? Staple the other side of the feet, right? Just boom. Once your character gets just like that, you want to stop. You're going to put it in, right? You're going to put in the staples. Just staple it one more time. So none of the pieces can like overflow and then fall out, you know? Because that is the worst thing. It gets you really frustrated. Right? So then, we'll place it down. And then, this is where it gets really, really tricky. Right here. Right next to the cheekbone. And also the arm. Right here. Where I'm at. Like, over right here. That's the hardest place to staple. So you would try to do that early as you can, right? That's for me though. Like, if you guys want to try and do that early as you can also try and do that. But I wouldn't recommend it because if you're beginners, right? I wouldn't recommend it so far. I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah. So then you want to cut up another piece of paper and go just like that. And then you want to staple the side of it. You want to staple the side of it. Like that. You want to staple the sides. And then what you want to do is this. You want to keep stapling up to up to up, right? I'm going to staple all the way up. Alright, I'm out of staples, so I gotta get my staples, okay? So, let me take it out real quick. And then, you want to staple or tape it all the way up. And then, boom, there is your pepino, right? If you already did it early, that's fine. If you guys are pros, which I am, right? Because I've been doing this for a really long time, right? Hopefully you learned, hopefully at least you learned something. If you're a beginner, hopefully one day you will do this almost every day for practice, and this is like a good routine to do, you know? So yeah, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells. And don't forget to comment. And 100 likes, I might show you how to make the noise. No, everybody from Pizza Tower and also a Skibbity Toilet one. So bye, and then this is what you should get. Alright, bye guys. Peace and goodbye.